gusto mo bang maintindihan yung anime na pinapanood mo? Or interested ka lang talaga sa Japan? Or are you just interested in learning a new language? Well, if so, please keep on watching! Hey guys, and happy Saturday! Welcome back to my channel. So, may salamin tayo ngayon para magmukha tayong matalino. Charot! One time on my channel, gumawa ako ng video regarding the things that I learned or the first basic things that I learned in Vietnamese, in the Vietnamese language. Naisip ko na gumawa naman ng video regarding the things that I learned or the basic things that I learned naman sa Japanese language. As you all know, I spent a year and a half sa Japan, and I learned to love the country. I learned to love their culture, and I learned to love their language. The Japanese language is so vast, it's so wide, and it's such a beautiful language. Ang daming pwedeng matutunan, and there's always room for improvement. So for today's video, I would like to share with you guys the basic Japanese that we need to know, either if we want to live or travel in Japan. So, without further ado, let's do this! So, I have my list of words on my phone. So, kung titingin-tingin ako sa phone ko, pagpasensyahan nyo na. I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 words, 14 to 15 words that we can use for our daily lives or travel to Japan. Tara na! Excited na ako! Tanoshimi ni shiteimasu! First one is Ohayo gozaimasu or good morning. So, I'll say it slowly. Ohayo gozaimasu. So, that's how you say it slowly. But Japanese people usually say it as Ohayo gozaimasu. There you go. That's good morning. Number 2. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. So you often hear konnichiwa in a lot of animes because it's for hello and good afternoon as well. Konnichiwa. Number 3. Konbanwa. 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 Or good evening. Number 4. Sayonara. 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 Or goodbye, sayonara. They also say bye in Japanese, bye, or mata ne, see you later, mata ne, see you later, bye, sayonara. The next thing that we need to know is how to say goodnight, or oyasumi nasai, oyasumi nasai, oyasumi nasai. Oyasumi nasai. Good night. I like doing this. Hello. Hello. Konnichiwa. Oyasumi nasai. Ohayo sumi nasai. Ohayo sumi nasai. Ohayo sumi nasai. Ohayo go. May pusa sa labas. May pusa sa labas. Shoo! Shoo! Wait lang, guys. Shoo! 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 Okay, so yeah, may pusa. Next thing that is very helpful to know is how to say thank you in Japanese. So there's two ways. The polite way is arigatou gozaimasu, and then if you want to just say it to your friend, you can just say arigatou. So that's arigatou gozaimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu. Or arigatou. Arigato. Arigato gozaimasu. And then a lot of Japanese people say yes. They say hai, 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 hai. Yes, yes, yes. Hai. And then to say no in Japanese are like it's okay, it's okay. You know, in animes we usually hear them say yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. They're like, ah, sumimasen. Oh, sorry. And then the other person say, yeah, 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 yeah. That's like, it's okay, it's okay. And then they also use iye for no. Like, do you want this? Iye, iye. So that's iye, iye. Next, when you meet someone for the first time, you say, hajimemashite. 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 So So they don't put emphasis on the she. They shorten it as sh. Hajimemashite. Hajimemashite. When you watch anime, you can hear Japanese people, especially girls, raise up their voice. I don't know, it sounds cuter. It sounds very Japanese. Konnichiwa. Hajimemashite. Sometimes I raise my voice when I speak in Japanese. You can ask my companions and my friends about that. Anyways, moving on to the next one. So, kapag naman nagkakilala na kayo, like when introducing someone, so like, Hajimemashite, Christine desu. Hajimemashite, Tanaka-san desu. And then you can say by the end, Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Like, Yoroshiku onegaishimasu, like, hope to see you again, or like, please be good to me, you know. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Currently, binge watching Haikyu, and before the game starts, so both of the players go to the side and they say Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Let's have a good game, you know. Okay, next. O genki desu ka? O genki desu ka? Genki desu ka? Are you genki? So it's a good way of asking how are you? How are you today? Genki desu ka? O genki desu ka? Next one that we have is daijoubu desu ka? Daijoubu desu ka? Daijoubu desu ka? See, my voice like daijoubu desu ka? Daijoubu desu ka? Daijoubu desu ka? Daijoubu desu ka means, are you okay? Like, for example, you hit someone, sorry, daijoubu desu ka? Or like, if someone trips or if someone needs help, you can say, daijoubu desu ka? There. That's how you say, are you okay? Or like, can I help you? Daijoubu desu ka? Last two. Next one is sumimasen. Sumimasen. Sumimasen is used for excuse me. Sumimasen. 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 Sumimasen can also be sorry, but it's mostly used for excuse me. Sumimasen. And then the last one is for sorry. So when you wanted to say sorry, you can say gomen nasai. Gomen nasai. Gomen nasai. Or if it's just for your friend, you can say gomen, 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 gomen. You know? Sorry, sorry. Yep. So that's it for our first Japanese video. Yay! Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Yeah, I love Japanese and I love sharing it with you guys. So if you're interested to learn more about Japanese or how to speak Japanese, how to communicate in Japanese, please comment down below and I will help you out. And also, my friend started this language center. They teach both Korean and Japanese. I would leave their link in the description box below as well, so that you could inquire there or you could join their classes. They have ongoing group classes and private tutorials. So I am so excited for what's about to come. So para sa inyo na mga gustong matuto ng Korean, mga K-drama addicts like me, join na kayo sa classes na meron yung friend ko. And then if you wanna watch anime without subtitles, you wanna watch K-drama without subtitles, ayun, go check them out. Well, that is it for this video. I hope you like the things that I've said, the things that I've mentioned. I hope na helpful din to when you plan to live in Japan or work there or just to travel there. Very, very, very helpful to mga phrases na to, words and phrases na to. And kailangan ko na bumalik sa panonood ng Haikyu kasi it's the reason why I've thought of making this video, kasi I've been binge watching Haikyu for the past couple of weeks and it's like so addicting, you know. So yeah, if you like more videos regarding languages, I could do a Vietnamese one or a Japanese one. Just comment down below, and if you like this, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe as well, because I upload videos every single week. And I'll see you again next week. Bye!